Hi, my name is Michael Weisner. I'm an animator, illustrator, and graphic designer, and today I'm going to show you how to draw a construction vehicle. Let's get started. Now, because of the high detail of this vehicle, it's not a bad idea to do a pre-sketch and use source material to do the research for this subject. Alright guys, let's get started. First, we're going to start by drawing out a rough idea of how we want our construction vehicle to be. First I'm going to draw out the back. Then I'm going to draw out the canopy control area. Draw out the nest cage. Draw out the lower part of it and then add some treads. Now that we've got the rough body, you'll notice that I associated the bodies with blocks and circles. The treads are easily going to be circles because they're going to be long. And then we're going to add a second line to there to not only give this a 3D look, but also to make it more tread looking. Add some lines across. Do some shade ends. Got a quick little decal here. Shoot that in a bit. Add a little chair. Now that we've got that set up, something missing, and that's going to be a big mechanical arm. So we're going to draw a nice little line up. We're going to add a second line, but not cut through this image. Cut through down here. A bit more detail. We're going to add another line to make this look 3D. Add a bit of a bend. Add a circle right here. Add another extension of the arm. Add another bar. Now that we've got that, let's add another circle right here. Now we've got that, let's add a shovel. Then add some dirt. And add a bit of an engine to the back. Because how else is it supposed to go? I ask you, how? And there you have it. And that's how you draw a construction vehicle. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you next time.